Some games on Roblox let you create a private server for free, 0 Robux. Here's how to do it. Go to Roblox. Now go ahead and search for a game. Which game lets you create a free server? Just open the game. From the game page, click on servers. And here we can see this game provides free servers. Now just click on create private server and enter here your server name and click on buy now. And we can see I've successfully created a private server in this game. Clicking on customize. And now from here you can change your server name. You can enable or disable allow joining for others. You can enable or disable connections allowed. You can also add people to your server here. And to generate a private link for the server, just click on generate. Thanks for watching.